Welcome back to my YouTube channel Explore Through Me. Today, we are diving into the wild world of reptiles right here at the Oakland Zoo. Alligators have been roaming the earth for over 200 million years. These remarkable creatures are part of the Crocodylia order and can be found primarily in freshwater habitats like swamps, rivers, and ponds. Here at the Oakland Zoo, we have the American alligator, known for its robust body and powerful jaws. In the wild, alligators are apex predators, meaning they play a key role in their ecosystems. At the zoo, you'll find them lounging by the water or basking under the sun. They can stay motionless for hours, which is a great hunting strategy.